Uh, Speaker sir, during last 2 years, landslides are experienced at many places in Mormugao constituency. The official from Revenue Department in Mormugao, including Deputy Collector Mamledar Talati and their team, visited this area for site inspection. Speaker sir, necessary reports are prepared and letters are sent to the Deputy Collector under disaster management at various such as PWD Roads and Building Division and Water Resources Department for taking necessary measures to avoid further damages. As per the answer provided, there are about 8 locations where the landslide has been reported in last 2 years. And the area mentioned Kelila asa, Speaker sir, that is Rumdawada, Jeti, Bogda, Bharat Lane, Destero, Sada and Harbar. Speaker sir, I would like to request our Honorable Minister that inspection jata, Deputy Collector येता, Mamledar येता, Talati येता, सगळं inspection जाता and they send that under disaster management inspection जाता. तर गेली 2 वर्षा in 2022 जे लँडस्लाइड झालेले माझ्या कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी इन मुर्मगोवा जी जेटी एरिया असलेली आणि आमची बोगदा एरिया असलेली हांगा 2 कडे लँडस्लाइड झाले आणि हे 2022 जे लँडस्लाइड झालेले त्यांचो रिपोर्ट केलो आणि धाडलो. आयज पर्यंत मिनिस्टर सर थंयसर कसलेच रिटर्निंग हॉल बांधलेले ना.
As far as disaster management is concerned, once we receive any complaints like for retaining wall or any other damages which has been created, and to do or to repair this thing, we don't have the funds. It is a department of PWD and the WRD department. I will just see Goa State Disaster Management Authority constitutes of states departments including fire and emergency services, PWD, WRD, Goa Police, Electricity regarding placing of disaster management fund at the disposal of the departments like PWD, WRD for taking up the civil works. Government does not allocate separate funds for disaster management to the line department. However, as subsection 1 and 2 of section 49 of Disaster Management Act 2005, every ministry or department of the Government of India shall make provisions in its annual budget. So, in the annual budget, when we make this thing, they should keep a separate provision basically for these things, which may not have been done.